Small spending decisions feel harmless in the moment, but over time they quietly and consistently drain your financial stability without you noticing. Most people do not fail at money because of low income, but because of small, invisible daily leaks that repeat without awareness. Complex budgeting systems often fail not because they are wrong, but because they require too much effort, tracking, and discipline to maintain consistently. So we remove complexity entirely and replace it with one simple mental rule that guides every single purchase decision you make. This is the $100 rule, a mental filter designed to quickly decide whether a purchase truly deserves your money or is just impulse disguised as need. Before buying anything, pause for a moment and ask yourself if this purchase is worth more than $100 of long-term value in your life. This simple pause creates space between emotion and action, breaking the instant reaction that usually leads to unnecessary spending. Emotion pushes you to buy instantly, making it feel urgent and important, but the rule forces logic to step in before the decision is made. Many wants disappear after even a short delay, showing that they were never real needs, just temporary emotional triggers. Every purchase carries an invisible opportunity cost because money used here immediately removes the ability to use it for something better later. Small, unnecessary purchases repeated across days and weeks slowly combine into a much larger financial drain than most people ever realize. The goal is not to control every impulse with willpower, but to install a simple system that automatically makes better decisions for you. When the rule becomes automatic, spending decisions stop feeling stressful, confusing, or emotionally heavy, and become simple and clear. Over time, fewer bad purchases naturally leads to more savings, more stability, and a much clearer sense of financial direction. Wealth is not about earning more complexity, tracking more systems, or thinking harder, but about eliminating unnecessary decisions from your life.